The Material World, 34. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on different charity projects, and how people sacrifice the things they liked in order to please the needy. It is important for Muslims to understand the importance of Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 92.
Never will you attain the good reward until you spend in the way of Allah from that which you love. And whatever you spend, indeed Allah is knowing of it.
This verse makes it clear that a person cannot be a true believer, meaning they will possess a defect in their faith, until they are willing to dedicate the things they love for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. Even though many believe this verse applies to wealth, but it in fact means much more. It includes every blessing which a Muslim likes and loves. For example, Muslims are happy to dedicate their precious time on the things which please them. But they refuse to dedicate time to pleasing Allah, the Exalted, beyond the obligatory duties which barely takes an hour or two in one's day. Countless Muslims are happy to dedicate their physical strength in different pleasurable activities, yet, many of them refuse to dedicate it to the things which please Allah, the Exalted, such as voluntary fasting. More commonly, people are happy to strive in things which they desire, like obtaining excess wealth which they do not need, even if it means they have to do overtime and give up their sleep. Yet how many strive in this way in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him? How many give up their precious time in order to learn and act on Islamic knowledge? It is strange that Muslims desire lawful worldly and religious blessings yet overlook a simple fact: that they will only gain these things when they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as this is showing gratitude to Him. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
How can they dedicate minimal things to Him and still expect to achieve all their dreams? This attitude is truly strange.